Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a major AC job on this 2020 10th generation Honda Civic. As you can see, we had to completely pull out the dashboard to get to the climate control assembly and check the evaporator core for leaks. It's a lot of work, but getting it done right is the only way. Tearing down a modern dashboard like this takes patience. You have to be extremely careful with all the wiring harnesses, clips, and sensors. If you're planning to DIY this, make sure you label your screws and take your time. Before we move under the hood, if you find this breakdown helpful or interesting, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, like. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to bring more helpful garage content to you guys. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends or anyone who owns a 10th gen Civic and might face this AC issue. Now, let's take a look under the hood. We're inspecting the high and low pressure AC lines, checking the compressor, and making sure the entire system holds a vacuum perfectly before we put everything back together. Every single line has to be checked to ensure there are no hidden leaks remaining. All right, guys, that is it for today's teardown.